guys, what's up? And welcome back to another video.
Okay, so I look extremely tired in this video. I kind of changed the whole title and everything, so this is more like kind of a room organization kind of video. So, yeah.
I don't feel like putting on makeup right now. You know, it's okay. We look questionable, but that's fine. I'm just going to do a few things to kind of get myself together for the new year. I'm on winter break, so I have a bunch of time and I'm bored, so let's do this. So I'm gonna start with my closet, which as you can see has some issues. A lot of these clothes I literally don't even wear, so let's just get rid of them. My closet actually wasn't as bad as I thought because I think I cleaned it like 4 months ago, maybe. But I'm going to do my backpack now because school starts in like 5 days. Oh crap, 5 days. Wow. Okay, so school starts in 5 days apparently, and my backpack. Let's just say that there are some questionable things. I think I have so many gum wrappers in here. Backpack, and I got these cute little pins. This taxi's from New York, and this one is from an animal shelter that I volunteered at. I just added those to my backpack. So now I'm just going to kind of reorganize my room a bit, like in general. There's a lot of like random things around. Hopefully I'll organize that. This is the before. I still have Christmas decorations up, but I will get rid of those I think in the weekend. But for now I just want to get my desk organized and my entire floor and bed organized. This is my room after I cleaned. It actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Hopefully it stays clean for the year. Also, those are my pajamas, that's why they're there, so I'm just gonna leave them there. This is kind of like the end part of my video. I just wanted to talk about a few goals that I have for 2020, and these aren't like very typical goals, I would say, so hopefully it's kind of interesting. A lot of these videos I see getting ready for 2020, it's like glow up videos, and I feel like I've done that on my channel before, so I wanted to do something a little different with this and do more of like a room glow up and like getting organized and things like that. One of my goals slash like reminders that I want to tell myself is to always remind myself that everything happens for a reason and things kind of have a way of working themselves out. I know it sounds simple, but I feel like that can make such a difference in like the way you feel throughout the day. And I think that's really important to remember, and I just need to work on remembering that a little more. My second goal is doing at least some type of self-care slash relaxing time at least twice a week. I tend to get so caught up in my schoolwork that I don't even remember to take care of myself, and I think that's really important in the new year and just in general. And then my third goal is focus on little moments and just be more in the moment of things. I kind of like to cram my schedule with a bunch of things that I don't have time for, and then I'm not even enjoying myself in any of those moments because I'm focusing on the next moment, if that makes sense. So I just want to be more in the moment, and yeah, I think that will really make a difference. So yeah, that is it for this quick little mini video. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you all next time when I upload. Bye!